The world of software development thrives on quality. Testing is crucial. It ensures that software works as expected. Interviews for testing roles can be tough. They aim to assess your depth of knowledge. This essay focuses on advanced interview questions. We'll cover both manual and automation testing. Get ready to impress. This guide is your secret weapon. It helps you prepare for those challenging questions. We'll delve into specific areas. You'll gain a deeper understanding. Practical examples will illustrate key points. Let's dive in. Manual testing is human-driven. It involves a tester manually executing test cases without the use of automation tools. This process requires a deep understanding of the software and a keen eye for detail. It's about exploring the software. Testers navigate through the application, simulating user behavior to uncover any hidden issues. Testers identify bugs and issues. They meticulously document these findings to ensure developers can address them effectively. Strong foundational knowledge is key. Understanding core concepts like test planning, test case design, and defect lifecycle is crucial for any tester. Let's explore some advanced concepts. These include techniques that help testers create more efficient and effective test cases. Boundary value analysis focuses on the edges. It's a technique used to identify errors at the boundaries of input ranges. It tests inputs at their limits. By doing so, testers can ensure the software handles edge cases correctly. Imagine a field accepting numbers from 1 to 100. Testing just within this range might miss critical errors. You test 0, 1, 100, and 101. This helps ensure the software behaves as expected at the boundaries. This helps identify errors at the boundaries. Such errors might not be caught with regular testing. Decision table testing is systematic. It's a method used to test different combinations of inputs and their corresponding outputs. It's used when there are multiple inputs. This ensures that all possible scenarios are considered. A table maps out all possible combinations. This ensures comprehensive coverage. Each combination is tested to verify the software's behavior. For example, consider a login form with username and password fields. Each combination of valid and invalid inputs needs to be tested. The decision table would outline various valid and invalid combinations. This helps ensure that the login functionality works correctly under all conditions. Handling incomplete requirements is a common challenge. Often requirements may be vague or missing critical details. Requirements may be unclear or missing. Communication is crucial. Testers must work closely with stakeholders to clarify any ambiguities. Testers need to collaborate with stakeholders, clarify doubts, document assumptions. This ensures everyone is on the same page. Non-functional testing goes beyond functionality. It assesses aspects like performance, security, and usability. It focuses on how well the software performs. This includes response times, throughput, and resource usage. This includes aspects like performance, security, and usability. Ensuring the software is secure and user-friendly is just as important as its functionality. Load testing, for example, checks how the system handles heavy traffic. It simulates multiple users accessing the software simultaneously to identify potential bottlenecks. Let's continue our exploration of manual testing, a fundamental aspect of software quality assurance. We'll delve into more advanced concepts that build on the basics. These advanced techniques and tools are essential for success in your testing career, ensuring that software is reliable and meets user expectations. A test harness is a framework designed to support the testing process. It includes various components such as test data, scripts, and tools that facilitate the execution of tests. By incorporating these elements, a test harness ensures that tests are repeatable and consistent. A well-designed test harness improves efficiency and accuracy, reducing the time and effort required for testing. Effective test cases are crucial. They ensure thorough testing by providing detailed steps and expected outcomes. Techniques like equivalence partitioning and boundary value analysis are used to create comprehensive test cases. Tools like test case management systems help organize and track test cases, making it easier to manage large testing projects. Defect triage meetings bring teams together to discuss and prioritize defects. During these meetings, teams evaluate the severity and impact of defects, ensuring that the most critical issues are addressed first. This collaborative approach ensures that resources are focused on resolving the most pressing problems. A clear understanding of defect severity levels is essential for effective defect management. Test scenarios provide a high-level view of what needs to be tested, outlining the functionality to be verified. They help testers understand the scope of testing and ensure that all critical areas are covered. Test cases, on the other hand, are specific steps within a scenario, detailing the exact actions to be taken and the expected results. As we near the end of our manual testing journey, let's focus on evaluating effectiveness. We'll also touch on a powerful testing approach. Measuring testing success relies on metrics. These provide insights into the quality of the software. Defect density, test coverage, and test execution time are some examples. Exploratory testing is unscripted. It's about exploring the software freely. Testers use their intuition and knowledge. This helps uncover unexpected defects. Now let's shift gears. We'll explore the world of automation testing. Section 5, Navigating Automation Testing with Selenium Java Advanced Techniques. Automation testing uses tools. It automates repetitive tasks. Selenium is a popular tool for web applications. Headless browser testing runs tests without a visible browser. It's faster and more efficient. Intel. Unit driver is a popular headless browser driver in Selenium. File uploads are common in web applications. Selenium WebDriver provides methods to handle file uploads. You need to specify the path to the file. Date pickers can be tricky. Selenium provides ways to interact with them. You can simulate keystrokes or use JavaScript events. Section 6, Managing Cookies and Simulating User Actions. Let's delve into more advanced Selenium techniques. These are essential for handling complex web applications. Browser cookies store user information. Selenium allows you to manage cookies. You can add, delete, and retrieve cookies. This is useful for testing user sessions. The Actions class in Selenium enables advanced interactions. You can simulate mouse movements, drag and drop actions, and more. This enhances the realism of your tests. Checkboxes and radio buttons are common form elements. Selenium provides specific methods to interact with them. You can select, deselect, and verify their state. Section 7, Handling Hidden Elements and Retrieving Web Page Data. In this section, we will delve into some of the more intricate aspects of web automation using Selenium. Our journey through advanced Selenium techniques continues. We will explore how to handle elements that are not immediately visible on the web page and how to retrieve valuable data from these pages. We'll tackle hidden elements and learn how to extract data from web pages. Hidden elements can often be tricky to deal with, but with the right approach, they can be managed effectively. Hidden elements are not visible on the page. They are often hidden using CSS or JavaScript, making them invisible to the user but still present in the HTML code. Selenium provides ways to interact with them using JavaScript. By executing JavaScript code, you can reveal these hidden elements and interact with them just like any other element on the page. You can execute JavaScript code to reveal or interact with these elements. This is particularly useful when dealing with elements that are hidden for user interface reasons but need to be tested. Retrieving links from a web page is a common task. Links are essential for navigation and often need to be verified during testing. Selenium allows you to find all links and extract their attributes. This can include the href attribute, which contains the URL the link points to, as well as other attributes like the link text. You can then perform actions on these links, such as clicking or verifying their URLs. This ensures that all links on a web page are functioning correctly and lead to the intended destinations. Find element and find elements are fundamental methods in Selenium. They are used to locate elements on a web page, which is a crucial step in any web automation task. Find element returns the first matching element, while find elements returns a list of all matching elements. This distinction is important when you need to interact with multiple elements on a page. Understanding their differences is crucial for writing effective locators. By mastering these methods, you can write more efficient and reliable Selenium scripts, ensuring your web automation tasks are successful. Section 8. Managing pop-ups and choosing the right locator. As we approach the end of our Selenium exploration, let's address pop-up handling and the importance of choosing appropriate locators. JavaScript pop-ups can interrupt tests. Selenium's alert interface helps you handle them. You can accept, dismiss, or get text from these pop-ups. Choosing the right locator is crucial for reliable tests. ID, name, XPath, and CSS selectors are commonly used. Prioritize unique and stable locators. Section 9, Beyond the Basics, Frameworks and Best Practices. While we've covered a lot, there's always more to learn. Let's briefly touch upon test automation frameworks and highlight some best practices. Consider exploring test automation frameworks like TestNG and Junit. These provide structure and efficiency to your tests. Adhere to best practices like creating maintainable code and using version control. This ensures the long-term success of your automation efforts. Section 10, a conclusion, your path to testing success. Congratulations, you've journeyed through advanced interview questions for manual and automation testing. Remember, preparation is key. Review these concepts, practice your answers, stay curious, keep learning. The world of testing is constantly evolving. Embrace new tools and techniques. Best of luck in your testing endeavors.